Clairerities. I don't know if you guys heard, but since everyone's saying that, oh, it's 2026, which means it's 2016. I'm so excited. We're gonna be doing 2016 makeup for the first time. I'm gonna be honest, I never actually did this makeup before, so I'm kind of scared. I don't really know how it's gonna turn out because I never really did makeup like that before. Plus the eyebrows. Like, look at this eyebrow. The reason I'm so scared about eyebrows, guys, is because my eyebrows are literally so straight, as you guys can see. So I'm kind of scared, like, what? And guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm literally dressed like a 2016 girly. Yeah, we have the scrunchie, those famous scrunchies. We have the choker that's quite literally choking me right now, but it's fine. And we have the drink. I didn't, guys, listen, I tried to find a Starbucks drink, but I don't even have a Starbucks cup in my house because I don't really drink Starbucks. So I just got this orange cup that looks like it's from 2016, and we're just gonna pretend. Okay, so here's the inspiration for the makeup. We have like a few of these ideas. Okay, let's just start. I am really excited. I want to do something that's not super colorful, but at the same time is not super basic. The eyebrows is something like one of the most exciting parts of this makeup in my opinion, but let's start. Okay, we're gonna start with the base, and from what I've seen from these images and the photos of the makeup, they use like a very full coverage type of thing, so I'm gonna be mixing a few of my products here. So first of all, I'm gonna be using this foundation from Lue Neve, and I always use this product, so yeah. I don't know what color. Oh, it's in the color 11. And then I'm probably going to be using as well this BB cream from L'Oreal Paris. And I've also introduced it in my videos. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for my base. Okay, let's start. So usually when I'm doing my base, I get it and I put it on my hand like this. Because it's just easier to blend like this. So yeah, let's do that. My face is glowing because I already did my skincare. Oh guys, I recently bought this brush like this that is for using your foundation, for spreading your foundation. I totally recommend you buy this. I think you can buy this in literally any makeup store. I don't know, but I found it for like super cheap, so you can do that too. It doesn't have to have like a specific brand, but it's just easier because it spreads your foundation more evenly. So yeah, let's do that. And it avoids your skin from getting super clumpy and stuff like that. So I really recommend. Actually, I've been hearing about this product for the longest time, but I only bought it now.
I'm that type of person. Like, I'll hear things, I'll hear the products like, oh, you should totally buy this product, and then I'll only buy it like 3 years after, when no one's even talking about it anymore.
Oh my gosh, it's the first time I'm using this. It's really good. Like almost 3 months since I've done the makeup video. I miss it so much. I'm so glad we're doing it again. It's been so long. But I'm loving doing the chatting videos as well. Like, I love giving advice and our chit chats that we have on YouTube. So I don't know, I just really like doing both. Guys, comment down below what other makeup you guys want to see next. Oh wait, I just remembered that the eyebrows have to be done before the foundation. Okay, yeah, see, we just started the makeup and I'm already getting it wrong. Let's just pretend that's not happening. I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna do the eyebrows. First, I'm just brushing my eyebrows out a little so that it's brushed out. So their eyebrows I'm gonna be doing with black pencil, which is what I usually use anyways. And we're gonna try to make it arched. I'm kind of scared, but let's just do it, you know. I'm gonna use an eyebrow pencil and just try to shape my eyebrows to make them arched. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but let's just try. Guys, it's not that arched, but look, it's kind of like it kind of worked. Okay, you know what? This is fine. I'm just gonna, if I keep touching it, I'm gonna spend the whole video doing this. So let's just move on. I'm gonna do the other eyebrow now, and then I'll just update you guys. Guys, I've always had straight eyebrows though. It's just that I'm a very straight eyebrow type of girl. I tried arched eyebrows in the past. I'm not a big fan of it. I'm sorry, like I can't. Straight eyebrows are my thing, honestly. And I know a lot of people say that like, oh, but round face shapes should have arched eyebrows, but it's just not my thing. Guys, we did the eyebrows. I hope it doesn't look bad. I'm scared. But you know what? It's fine. I need to pass the concealer around it now, so let's do that. Oh, by the way, for my Brazilian viewers out there, my girlies that are watching Portuguese, I'm gonna be putting the captions in Portuguese. Para as minhas seguidoras do Brasil que estão assistindo o vídeo agora no Brasil, eu vou estar colocando the captions para vocês em português. Because I know that most of you guys that watch my videos are from Brazil. I hope they don't look bad, because if it does, I'm gonna post this video anyway. So let me unzoom. This is getting annoying. The eyebrows are done, guys, so now I can actually move on with the actual makeup. I'm just gonna finish the foundation that I was doing, because I kind of didn't finish. Okay, guys, so I'm done with that. This video is turning way longer than I expected. Oh my gosh. We're gonna do contour. I am not a big fan of contour either, because I don't know, guys. I have a problem, honestly. Oh, I forgot to say, guys, but for the pencil, like eyebrow pencil and stuff like that, I'm using this one. This is what I'm using. Yeah, this is chaotic. Guys, I'm gonna finish blending the contour, and then we're gonna move on to powder, blush, and eye makeup. Let's go. I'm gonna be using this one from Bella Makeup. It is the Illuminador Creamy Stick from Fabella. I also just bought this one. I tried it one time, and this is honestly a steal. It's so easy to use. Like, you just do this, yeah, and it's super creamy. Like, literally, let me show you guys. Look at this. It's super creamy. And then I'm also gonna put some in my cheekbones. So for blush, I'm gonna be using this lemon. I'm gonna be using this Melon Pop Bouncy Blush. It's also a new one. This is the color. Looks good. Oh, it's like, it's actually bouncy. That's cool. The eyebrows keep throwing me off. Every time I see this eyebrow, it's throwing me off, bro. I can't. You know, I saw a video that they were like, I hate people that use blush in their chin. People that use blush in their chin are evil. Then I guess I'm the evilest of them all, because literally I can't. Like, I have to use blush on my chin. It's just so fun. Like, leave me alone, bruh. Leave me alone. Time for powder. Powder of Arcane. If you know, you know. If you don't, just kidding. Well, I'm going to be using this powder from this translucent powder from Ruby Rose. And this one is actually a favorite, okay? I really like it. It truly looks like a filter. Like, you don't even... Oh my gosh, it actually looks like a filter. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like a filter. This is maybe just me, okay? But I like to add freckles to my makeup, so I am going to be adding some freckles to the makeup. It's the T&G Tango Beautiful 2-in-1 Liquid Eyeliner Pencil. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, wait. This is what we're working with, guys. The makeup looks kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of cute. Now let's do the eye makeup, because I feel like I've been wasting my time, like, literally. The eye makeup is very intense, so we're gonna be doing that. For the eye makeup, I'm excited. I'm gonna be using this nude palette by Dermosa. I don't really know how to say it. I'm probably saying it wrong. I've had this for the longest freaking time. Look at this palette, bro. It's like the best palette. Oh, it's like literally the best palette ever. And you can tell this glitter one, I'm always using it. That's why it's like almost done. I'm gonna start with this one here in the middle, and then I'm gonna kind of shade it with this dark one over here. And then later I'm gonna add the glitter. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the darker one that I mentioned before. And see, and I'm just going to kind of use it more. See, it's a little darker. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna get this one here, and I'm going to make kind of like an invisible cat eye here that just slightly pushing outwards like that. I don't know if you guys can see. So now we're gonna get the glitter that I mentioned before, and we're just gonna put it in the center of the eyes like this. It looks cute. I'm gonna have to remove all this makeup after, Because, you know, I'm not gonna lie, after recording this video, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just freaking sleep. I'll add some glitter under the eyes like this, because it adds like some kind of like a shade-ish type of thing. So now we're gonna do the eyeliner. This is reminding me of Ariana Grande, bro. Remember her peak, like her prime? Oh, I'm back. Okay, guys, we're back. Did you miss us? I'm just kidding. Guys, I did the eyelash thingy. I mean, sorry, I'm literally glitching right now. I need a drink. Guys, this is the... It doesn't look symmetrical, I think. We're just gonna pretend it is, because who cares? Okay, I'm gonna now do the mascara. For the mascara, just literally use any mascara that you have, any black mascara that you have at home. It doesn't matter the brand. I'm gonna be using the Avon one though, so yeah, I'm gonna link it on somewhere in this video. So yeah. Okay guys, we are almost done with the makeup. Now all we have to do is the lip combo, and I'm so excited. You guys know how much I love the lip combo, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna use my eye pencil. They like matte lip combos. I am not the biggest fan of a matte lip combo, but that's fine. I guess we can do anything. No, I feel so 2016. This is so fun. I'm having so much fun. This is literally so fun. Wow, 귀여워. Guys, this is literally so fun. I'm having like literally the time of my life. I hope you guys liked the video. I had so much fun. Actually, I'm not even lying. This was, I think, the most entertaining makeup to do. Like, I've done many makeups before, like especially here on YouTube, but I've never done 2016, and let me tell you, this is fun. And this is nice. I actually like it. It looks so cute. It looks so Tumblr, you know? It reminds me so much of like those Starbucks drinks and stuff like that. Make sure to give it a like. Comment down below if you've got until this point. Thank you so much for watching. But comment down below what other makeups you guys want to see in my channel, because I have, you know, it's 2026. We have so many new makeup tutorials that we could be doing, so comment down below the next makeup you guys want to see me do. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. It was literally so fun spending time with you, and until the next time, bye.